Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use this system. First, we'll have a graph. In the default state, we will add an indicator to the chart. In the current mode, you don't need to change anything. Just press OK. After the indicator is displayed, we'll have the same interface as on the current graph. Now I'll give you a detailed guide, each item of the indicator, to make it easier for you to understand. Detailed section of each item. I'll show you in the next few minutes. First of all, we will have the following basic components. The first is the signage. The second is the risk calculation. When we give orders on the signal, Tuesday is display board, trend statistics, structure, signals, multiple time frames and suggest whether to buy or sell. The fourth is the volume profile system. I want to help. You know the important prices. And Thursday is the control panel. Control panel. You can turn on or off each panel. And finally, it's also the most important part, which is the signal on the chart. With signals, on the graph, we'll have clear points like this. The first is a clear entry point, point SL, and profit-taking points. At the same time, we'll have a point called STB. This point is the point, the highest of the state. Swing, when this point is broken, the structure. The market will also be disrupted. And you need to remember that. Meanwhile, the smaller points, that's the nearest trough which will be shown here. This is These points we can call boss or the specific structure of the market. In this control panel, you can choose turn on off the corresponding panel. Next is auto scan. Auto scan will help us scan all charts in other time frames to find the signal. When time frames that have lots of duplicate signals, for example, they all give buy signals. Buy signals will have very high reliability. Here, I would also like to add to this that I'm currently on clean chart. If you have not enabled clean chart, you will see signals in the past. It's displayed so you know that in the past there have been. What signal? As you can see, we've got a signal right now. Before that, that's TP2 at the moment. Signal. The signal has reached the highest TP. Now I'll give you some more instructions. Yay to enter orders. Do the current. The market is closing. For example, on BTC. The BTC chart is currently in the H1 frame. And there's MTF. We'll look for a time frame signal. Here. For example, this is a time frame that's showing signals. We will proceed further. Automated trading robot. According to the signal, from a system that I'll send you for free. When you buy indicators, the main feature of this system is not only gold, which sometimes BTC signals are also very effective. When you mount the robot into the chart, you just need to default. Immediately, a table will appear here for you. This table will tell us time frame and product code, signal direction, entry point and take profit point. Because I'm currently on TP2, if I want to be TP3 or TP4, For example, TP4, I'll choose here. In the case, if I want to set a trailing stop, I'll click here. I'll turn it off here. And now I'm going to try. According to status, current price. With the price, as in the graph. Here after me. Press the button. The command was immediately executed with TP, and the SL score is exactly what I wanted. If you want to exit the order, just press close immediately. Order status will be returned. It's out of order. If you want to place a pending order, then you can choose as follows. When placing a pending order, the default will be set at the entry point. Now I will press. After I pressed it, the entry was done immediately. Set. The SL command has also been fully set up. And the TP point was also set as I wanted. Now, if you want to exit, just press it. There's another mode, and that's auto stop. Let me explain to you auto stop means. For example, I want TP1, or currently the price is at TP2. In case I want to, from now to TP4. How much? When using auto stop. What that means is, from current price to TP4, whatever the distance, the system will set up. So that when it hits TP, the R will be 1 to 2. After I pressed, as you can see, we've got price, the present. When it hits the city, the profit will be $472. If you hit SL, you'll lose $238. So we're going to have an R of 1 to 2. And here's the end. General introduction. About the trading system. Of the system.